Okay, so here we've got our subtotaling already done. One of the things I wanted to point out is in this collapse view, right? Let's say we're only looking at the totals, and you can see that there's obviously hidden rows, as I mentioned earlier. It's going from row 1 to 5 to 9 because the other rows are hidden. And if I click on that plus, I can expand the group and see the hidden rows, right? But now, if I wanted to basically only copy this table, let's say this is a summary table, I want to put this onto a different sheet so that I can present it somewhere. And if I highlight all of that and I right click and I say copy, and let's just say I added another sheet in here. If I click on paste, you'll see that it's copied everything, not just the visible portions, right? So even though it's copying everything because everything is highlighted, and to show you that everything is highlighted, if I click on this 3 and expand it, you can see everything is highlighted. So even though, I basically had it viewing only the total lines by clicking on this 2, when I did the selection of what to copy, it also selected the hidden rows. So when we actually pasted, everything was copied. So how do you get around this if you only want this particular table? Well, what you would need to do is you would need to, in this particular thing, use the Go Special, the Go To dialog box. And the way you actually do that is you click on the F5 key on your keyboard, and it'll say Go To. And what you want to do is you want to say Special, right? And under the special options, you want to click on this visible cells only. So you're basically saying select the visible cells only. If I say OK, you can see it's changed slightly. There's like these slight white lines. And to show you the difference is if I click on 3, you can see that it's only basically copied. It's only selected the actual rows with the totals, right? So if I click on 2, it looks like it's all selected. But if I expand it fully, I can see that the ones in between are not selected. And now at this particular point, if I click on Control C to copy, or I could actually even just use the copy on the home page. If I clicked on that copy, and if I now basically go in here and I click on the paste, you can see now it's only pasted the total lines. There's no additional information pasted. So that's how you would go about if you just wanted to make a copy and paste it somewhere else of the summary table.